Hello, Crypto Explorer. Once again, I welcome you in a session of exploring new gem. This time, let us explore a promising and a potential gem. And I think this will reach out not just the moon, but even the stars. And the name is Alkimi. Yes, you heard it right. Alkimi. Alkimi. So, introducing this one of a kind, the world's first decentralized ad exchange. Alkimi is a decentralized replacement to the inefficient legacy programmatic ad exchanges with a mission to restore the value exchange between advertisers, publishers, and users. Alkimi is powered by the Hypergraph, revolutionary blockchain technology trusted by the U.S. Department of Defense, which allow us to provide the fastest, infinitely scalable solution with zero fraud, minimal transaction fees, and complete end-to-end transparency. So Alkimi Exchange help us to create and add products proven to be successful by walled gardens across the open web. And I love to read their quote-unquote quotation from their website saying, creating something from nothing. So I love that. So if this is so interesting that I am looking forward that this something from nothing, they will create a big thing that we look forward to. Alkimi Exchange is the world's first decentralized ad exchange. We think about advertising differently. So we are build the most first decentralized ad exchange where users are not a product, publishers are not the behest of Facebook and Google, and advertisers can deliver their message with value. Using the principle of generative economics, the Alkimi Exchange will reward users, publishers, and advertisers for rebuilding the intended value exchange for an open web, fewer ads, better user experience, and increased engagement. Now, to make these things exciting and with the disclosure of the success of the future success of this exchange, I want to bring out and present to you the dream team of Alkimi Exchange. Now you can see Ben Putley, Neil Bruce, Adam Shorley, and Chandrasekhar Narayana. I hope I pronounced it correctly. But this dream team of this exchange can bring us to the success of this Alkimi. So their credibility and their experiences will work through the process. And to all our crypto explorer there, this is so exciting because of this team. We can trust them, and one that we can trust the project is the disclosure of the best people who are included in the team. Aside from the excellent individuals and team behind the project, I want you also to consider some of a portal that we can now explore what's all about this Alkimi Exchange. You can go to their Telegram, join them. You can join also the Twitter, and also we can join them from GitBulk. To our crypto explorer out there, it is essential for us to consider the white paper of this project. It's just like the blueprint, the overview, the figure of the success of this gem. So in their website, you can download the white paper. From their white paper, you can see their tagline, something from nothing. So I think this is also an exciting to wait upon, by the way. So I will not spend much time with that, but I want to go through their abstract. So and then we want to read that. And it says that Alkimi Exchange is the decentralized advertising exchange built on the Constellation Network Hypergraph. So using the OpenRTB standards for programming advertising, Alkimi Exchange will host a media exchange auction in real time on the Hypergraph by developing a hosted state channel ALX or Alkimi Exchange. So ALX, or let's call it Alex instead of Alkimi, is a state channel facilitating programmatic exchange that will provide cost saving and fraud prevention for all stakeholders. Take note, fraud prevention, right? in the advertising and this industry. So users exposed to digital advertising, publishers that host advertising, and advertisers that buy digital media. To our crypto explorer out there, don't you know that there are 400 billion, like $400 billion industry when we talk about advertising? Yes, you heard me right. This is where Alchemy is engaging with. Therefore, as you see the overview, we this is a process, that this project will really give us a good promise in the near future. Alex is a solution provider for a big problem that the advertising industry is facing with. Now, the shift to online advertising has created improved efficiency through the real-time exchange and bidding of user data with quantifiable return on investment. Several inefficiencies persist with industry that their reliance on decentralized exchange. Google and Facebook are some of the largest consumers, creators, and sellers of data. Their advanced machine learning around their user data has solidified their market share. Independent technology companies have successfully offered alternative solutions to help publishers generate revenue. So, however, they're exasperated the issues by creating an ad tech tax for every $5 spent by the advertiser in 2020. A publisher received 2.55. Can you imagine that? And approximately one third of supply chain costs were completely untraceable. Now we are seeing a big problem that Alchemy Exchange is giving some solution. Now in April 2021, an antitrust case filed against Alphabet accused Google of running a secret project in collaboration with Facebook, designed to give their client a competitive advantage over others by revealing exchange data not accessible by all. So Facebook and Google's dominance, coupled with numerous independent technologies, has created a value leak that has broken the intended value of exchange of the internet. Now, to remedy the declining ad revenues, publishers increased a density to any given page and implemented additional monetization partners. So, websites have become harder for users to navigate as page load times have increased exponentially. Third party like JavaScript carried out a very narrow set of functionally on page, HTML markup, social widgets, and advertising delivery and tracking. Like 57% of script execution time is from the third-party scripts, and the top 100 domains already account for 48% of all the third-party requests. If the top 100 URLs reduce third-party scripts, the entire internet will see 2 to 3% performance increase. So, users have responded to the diminished experience online by installing ad blockers. Now, in 2021, there are 36% of respondents in UK reported using an ad blocker. So, Alchemy Exchange will solve the following issues facing the digital advertising market. So, they are a lot of them, like fraudulent ad serving. We can read that, and giving those solutions, transaction fees, and this is a genius solution that the team of Alex are creating now to solve this problem. So to all our crypto explorer there, when a exchange is solving the world problem, which is engaged in a $1 billion industry, now I think this is a big thing for us right now. And if I were you, I will read more of this and invest more and engage into this project called Alkimi. Alkimi Exchange will reestablish the intended value exchange on the internet between publishers, advertisers, and users by supporting the real-time buying and selling of digital advertising via a novel decentralized application and LO application on Constellation Hypergraph. Due to the highly liquid market with low cost and high scalability, we will support or they will support a dynamic business model. Their ability via the HTTP to bind data and value will allow publishers to reward users for viewing ads. Though this will be part of the future roadmap, we have considered the ensure the Alkimi exchange serve user by best interest. So like advertisers like Nike, Procter and Gamble, Unilever, and the like. So like transparent and authenticity, supply chain, exchange trading strategies, instant reconciliation of advertising spent, reducing transaction fees, and increased ad performance. Like publishers and some of the clients like CNN, NY Times, and Time Magazine, like increased revenue and profitability, auditability of buyers and supply chains, visibility of all data in supply chains, and exchange trading strategies and increased ad performance. So these are the things that Alkimi is giving some solution and boosting up the advertising industry. To our crypto explorer out there, the Alkimi exchange will roll out in the phase approach as follows. As we can see, phase 1 will be in quarter 3 2021. The objectives is that the ERC20 token will be minted, build endpoints built to ensure interoperability of ALX with existing technical infrastructure. And in Q4 in 2021, migration to LO token, IO token, launch for ALX testnet, implementation of ALX, data schemas, and Open RTB 2.5, GDPR, CCPA compliance. So we are about to finish this stage, and I'm so excited. We are so excited of this fast phase that the dream team of ALX is pushing through. Now, as we also observe that in phase 2, in the first quarter to second quarter of the year 2022, the official ALX launch, the official ALX will be launched. The vast compatibility and TAG accreditation are the goal and the objective of this phase. And for the phase 3, for the quarter 3 of 2022, the team will, they will push through for the MRC accreditation and IAB Gold Standard accreditation. To my fellow crypto explorer out there, what are we waiting for? So let's join the team of Alkimi Exchange to the journey to the moon. And this is so exciting and promising and even potential in the near future. Alkimi will help more business to grow in the advertisement. This is another massive step in bringing blockchain adoption and awareness into the mainstream. Alkimi will change the world by shaping the advertising industry functions. This is so exciting, Crypto Explorer, especially to their token that will be released soon. I will update you, Crypto Explorer, on my next video. Thank you for watching.